Good morning, class. Today I will discuss the central idea of the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. This poem is composed by Ogden Nash. Central idea of the poem. The poem Tale of the Custard the Dragon has been composed by Ogden Nash. In this poem, the poet says that a girl named Belinda lived in her house, White House, with her pets, a black kitten, a grey mouse, and a dragon and a yellow dog. Their names were Ink, Blink, Custard, and Mustard. Except Custard, all pets as well as Belinda were brave. They praised their bravery. Ink and Blink and Mustard called Custard a Percival. Percival means coward. They sat in a little red wagon, wagon means compartment, and made his fun. Suddenly, Belinda cried that a pirate means sea robber, had climbed on the window with pistols and sharp sword. Belinda cried for help. Mustard ran away with a cry. Ink went down of the household, and Blink hid in the mouse hole. Then only Custard attacked the pirate and swallowed him. At this, Belinda embraced Custard. Then all other pets came there and started dancing. They boasted about his bravery. At last, once again, all the pets started boasting of their bravery, but Custard did not boast. Theme of the poem. In this poem, we find a description about a girl named Belinda and her pets, a little kitten named Ink, a mouse named Blink, a dog named Mustard, and a dragon named Custard. They lived with Belinda in her house named White House. The dragon had sharp teeth and nails, but he was a coward. All other were very brave, so all used to make fun of his cowardice. But one day, when a pirate enters the house through the window with pistol in his hands and a sword means a small knife in his teeth, Belinda became pale means yellow, due to fear, and cried for help. But all the pets flee means ran away from there, and then only dragon came to help Belinda. He swallowed the pirate. This incident showed that dragon was brave but not coward. Now main points. Belinda lived in a little house named White House with her pets, a black kitten, Ink, a grey mouse, Blink, a yellow dog, Mustard, and dragon Custard. Custard was coward, and all other pets boasted of their bravery. Suddenly, a pirate entered the house through the window, and Belinda cried for help. Pirate had pistols and sharp sword. All the pets, animals, fled away, but only Custard attacked the pirate and swallowed him. All praised Custard. Now hard words of the poem. Kitten means here young cat. Wagon means a cart. Relio, trulio. Relio means in really. Trulio means truly. Sharp means very sharp, smart. tej. Coward means one who fears, not brave. Spike. Spike means sharp nails like structure. Yeah, thorn also we can say. Scales. Scales means thin bony overlapping plates on the skin. Scales means thick skin also we can say. Fireplace. Where fire is burnt to keep the house. Dagger. Dagger means a small sword. A small knife also we can say. Barrel. Barrel means a big box. Stairs. Stairs means set of steps leading from floor to another. सीढ़ियाँ. Chase. Chase means to follow someone. Cage. Cage means a place where birds and animals are kept in zoo. That is known as the cage. Pinjara. Tickle. Tickle means to strike lightly to induce laughter. Gudgudana. Unmercifully. Unmercifully means cruelly. Rude. Rude means unpleasant. Cowardly. Cowardly means very timidly. Giggle. Giggle means to laugh. Nasty. Nasty means unpleasant. Growl. Growl means snarl. Roar. Pirate. Pirate means dacoit or sea robber. Window. Window means here window. Cutlass. Cutlass means a smart sword with curved blade. Talwar. Mint. Mint means here intention. Pale. Pale means turned yellow. Fled. Fled means ran away. Terrified. Terrified means horrified. Elp. Elp means cry. Tickle. Tickle means to reach. Strategically means relating to war. Snorting means roaring. Class. Class means to hit. Dungeon. Dungeon means underground prison cell, takhana. Clatter and clank. It is a sound to make rattling sound. Jangle. Jangle means to make harsh metallic sound. Squirm. Squirm means to wriggle. Athna. Robin. Robin a bird. Worm. Worm means a kind of insect. Gap. Gap means to watch. Gulp. Gulp. Gulp means to drink. Grog. Grog means here wine. Flagon. Flagon means narrow container. Yeah, leather bag. Fire. Fire means to propel a bullet. Goggle. Goggle means to swallow. Every bit means completely. Embrace. Embrace means to hold closely. Yeah, hug. Lick. Lick means to pass the tongue. Mourn. Mourn means होता है to express grief. Victim. Victim means prey. Glee. Glee means happiness. Gyrate. Gyrate means to move around someone in happiness. Spoke. Spoke means second form of speak. Fluster. Fluster means to become nervous. Quiet. Quiet means completely. Still. Still means even now. Pet means tame. Wagon means cart. Barrel. Barrel means big container. Chase means way to follow. Stairs, a set of steps. Cage. Cage, a place where birds and animals are kept. These are the hard words and summary of the poem.